Good day. Today I would like to discuss several examples of integration involving a bracket with a certain power. Okay, so as you can see in the examples A and B, so if you have a function, okay, a linear function of 3x minus 2, for example, with a bracket and another power outside of it, okay, so we can have a formula. Okay, I would say in a form of something like this: a x plus b. Okay, ax plus b is just some random linear function with a certain power of n. Okay, and then if you want to integrate this whole thing in terms of x, the formula is too long. Okay, plus c. Okay, the formula is copy paste the whole bracket, okay, with the power more by 1, okay, more by 1, and then we divide with the new power. And one more thing is the differentiation of the bracket, okay, of the bracket, not together with the power, because this is the power, right? We already divide it over here. So what's left here is the content of the bracket. So as you can see, like that. So maybe if you want to take some time to process the idea, the formula, okay, so maybe you can just pause the video before we continue further to with the examples. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the first example. So this one already in this form like this, so we can just copy paste the bracket 3x minus 2 power of 5 more by 1, okay, then divide the new power 6, and then we add with the differentiation of the bracket, okay, plus c lah, of course, at the back. So make it nice. 6 over 6 multiply 3, okay, plus c. So 6 3 is 12, 18. So 1 over 18, 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 plus c. Okay, so let's move on to the second example. So as we can see here, there's a little bit problem, okay, because there's a difference with the first example, whereby we have the whole bracket and the power as a denominator. What we can do is we move everything as a numerator, bring it all upstairs, but with the condition of the power turn to be negative. Okay, so for example, before this, you see 1 over x is equals x to the power of minus 1. Because 1 over x here, the power is 1. So positive 1. So if you want to rewrite it as a numerator, okay, we can bring it over on top. But with the condition, the power must be negative. Same goes to something like 1 over x squared is equals to x to the power of minus 2. Okay, so just bring it over. Remember, we haven't integrate anything yet. We just rewrite the function. Okay, now it's already in a form of a bracket and a certain power, so we can use the previous formula. Okay, so what we do is just copy paste the bracket with the power more by 1, divide the new power minus 3, and the differentiation of the bracket. Okay, please take note, this formula only applies for if the content of the bracket is linear function. Linear function means the power of x is 1. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, just simplify lah. Alamak, my line is horrible. Yeah, perfect. At least better than the previous one. Okay, so this one minus 3 multiply minus 3. plus 3. Okay, so I have 1 over 9, because minus 3 is multiply is positive 9. Okay, and then 1 minus 3x minus 3. Sorry, I forgot to close the bracket. Plus c. Okay, done with the second example. Let's go to the third example. Okay, now let's see. What's this? Okay, for this one is a set. Okay, remember a set is simply okay, let's recap. Okay, so set x is, if there's nothing here, it means not 0. Sorry, it's I meant to means inside nothing. Okay, if it's nothing there, it's mean okay a square root, and it means x to the power of half. Okay, so this is recap. Okay, so by right, okay, if there's 3 over there, it's 4 plus 7x, okay, to the power of 1 over 3. Apa D3 pula? 3 is not a variable. Okay, like that. Okay, so okay, just we can integrate it now. Just copy paste the bracket with the power more by 1, and then the new power 1 over 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. Okay, and then don't forget to add the differentiation of the bracket. Okay, and then plus c lah at the back. Okay, 4 plus 7x to the power of 4 over 3 divides 4 over 3 multiply berapa tu? 7. Okay, close lah. Get that. So 4 over 3 multiplied by 7, 7, 4, 7, 14, 28. So we have 4 plus 7x to the power of 4 over 3, 28 over 3 plus c. We can rewrite this as 3 over 28, 4 plus 7x, 4 over 3 plus c. Perfect. Now let's move on to the last example, I suppose. Bring it a little bit further down. Easier for us to differentiate it. Now, this one more or less like example B just now. Okay, so first thing first. Okay. First thing first, we change the power x power half dx. Okay, and then bring it on top. So the power of the whole bracket will be negative. So 3 minus x negative half. Okay, still integration dx all copy paste lah. Okay, so we can use the formula. So copy paste bracket power more by 1 divides the new power. So minus half plus 1 is half. Okay, please lah, don't use calculator. Can congak also. Okay, so 3 minus x plus c. So copy paste 3 minus x half. Okay, and then divide by half. Differentiation of that is minus 1. Correct. C. Okay, and then it's a minus half over there. Okay, 3 minus x power half plus c divides minus half, something divide 1 over 2 is, we can just turn the half becomes 2. Okay, negative, lupa. Okay, negative 2, 3 minus x to the power of half plus c. So that's it for the last example. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Good day.